Make a playlist on Pandora. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to make a playlist on Pandora. So to do it, first thing first, go ahead and log into your Pandora account. Once logged in, launch to the My Collection from the top. After which you want to go ahead and select filter. Once you select filter, next thing what else you want to do is from the drop down menu select playlist. As you select playlist, now you want to go ahead and add a new playlist, so click on it and give it a name. After which you've given a title or the name, just tap the next button. Now go ahead and find a song that you wish to add it to your playlist. So once you've located the song or music that you wish to add it to your playlist, click the plus icon next to the music, and then you'll be able to add it to your playlist. So that's the simple way you could go do the same thing for the rest of the other music available that you wish to add it to your playlist, and that's the way you go ahead and make a playlist on Pandora. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.